Oh yes, that smell. Oh, that smells absolutely beautiful. That buffalo. I got some. How you doing, guys? I'm just excited. How you doing, guys? I hope you're well. Happy New Year. I've got some cauliflower buffalo nuggets with some rice, cilantro rice. I got some cilantro jalapeno dressing, spring onion, pickled radishes, avocado, all healthy. You don't need meat to create a beautiful meal. There's proof right there. That is a flavor bomb right there. So yeah, it smells beautiful. I'm going to tuck into it and yeah, I'm going to show you how I actually made it. And it's healthy and it's so good. Let's crack on.
Okay, first let's make the dressing. Start by simply roasting 2 jalapenos. By the way, I didn't add oil or salt, nothing. Place in the oven at 375 for about 10 to 15 minutes. When cooked, take out and let them cool. Next, add plain yogurt to a bowl, followed by diced jalapenos, garlic powder, a good bunch of cilantro, lemon juice, and stir. At this stage it's all to taste. Add red wine vinegar and salt and pepper, and then give a good final stir. It's fresh, light, and goes so well with the buffalo cauliflower. Next, let's get some pop into this. Thinly sliced radishes, doesn't have to be perfect. Add to a bowl, followed by red wine vinegar, sugar, black peppercorns, garlic powder, and lemon juice. Stir well and put to one side. So easy. Next, slice the cauliflower in half, cut around the core, cut out the florets, and cut into bite-sized pieces. For the batter, add plain flour to a bowl, followed by smoked paprika, garlic powder, salt and pepper, and mix well. Add whole milk and whisk until smooth. This is not a heavy batter, it's pretty light. Add the florets and stir really well, making sure all is coated. Stop, I did something wrong. Maybe it's my old age, but I'm glad I caught it. Not a good idea to use the tray, so I switched to an air fryer basket and used the tray to catch the batter. So I placed the cauliflower in the air fryer at 400 for about 20 minutes, just checking them from time to time. When nearly cooked, add your favourite hot sauce. Mine is Frank's, I love the stuff. When cooked, add to a bowl and coat well. Put to one side, they will crisp up even more. I recommend using leftover rice, it just works. For this dish, I used basmati. To beef it up, add fresh cilantro, salt and pepper to taste, and some extra virgin olive oil for some sheen. Mix well and serve up. It's healthy, fresh and light. It's a feel-good dish. You don't have to have meat to make a tasty dish.
Pretty easy, right? The star of the show, those cauliflower nuggets, the dressing and the pickled radishes. Everything else, you can add whatever you want. But it's really good with the rice. I was going to do white rice, but because I love white rice. And now they don't sell it because something about it's not proper rice, so they took it off the shelves. It's my favorite and I'm so gutted because I was going to do white rice. I didn't know that until my wife told me. But yeah, give it a go. Links below if you want to try it out. It is so good. Give it a go. Thanks, guys.